Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add your bank account in Amazon for refunds in 2025 using the full updated method. So step 1, open the Amazon app or go to amazon.com and make sure that you are signed in to your account. Step 2, click on the accounts and lists and select this your payments section. Step 3, you will be directed to the Amazon wallet page and click on this add a payment method. So you can see here, these are the bank account, add a credit or debit card, and then fill out this information to add your debit card or bank account. And double check your details and hit add your card or add your bank account. And you may be asked to verify the account through a one-time PIN sent to your registered phone or email. And once this is confirmed, your bank account will be added and set as a default refund method. And any future refunds will automatically be credited here instead of gift cards or original payment methods. And now, your bank account is ready to receive refunds directly from Amazon. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.